So, because we made it... Wait, what did I do? Did I scratch this guy? Aloha mai kako ukulele friends, and thank you so much for returning to my channel. The response for these videos has been amazing. Thank you so much for tuning in every week. Actually, lately it's been every other week because I've been traveling. A couple weeks ago I went to beautiful Milwaukee, Wisconsin, and last week I was at an incredible hula festival down in Southern California. I actually performed for my sister. It was her first time performing in a solo competition, and I'll play a little bit here of what we did. We did a couple of songs tied together. A song that I wrote called Hokulani, which I may do on this channel in the future, and then also we did a song by Alfred Alohikea called Pualilia, which I also may include on this channel in the future. But she did incredible. She placed second in this inaugural hula competition, and I'm so extremely proud of her. And this week I thought it would be cool to learn a song. If you've ever been to any sort of Hawaiian event, you would know this particular song. It's usually sung at the end of the evening. It's a time of reflection for Hawaiian pride and the love of Hawaii. It's a song that was written by Lorenzo Lyons in 1860, and it's just it's a beautiful Hawaiian song. It's sung at virtually every Hawaiian event that you've ever been to. You usually see people gathered around in a circle holding hands singing this song at the end of the night. So I thought it'd be a nice song for you to learn, so you don't have to just kind of sit there and look at the next person next to you singing this song, you know. Usually you don't have your ukulele when you're singing this song. That's usually the responsibility of whoever the band or the musician is that night. You know, they kind of lead you into the song. Usually you're holding the hand of the person next to you when you sing this song. So it's usually done a cappella or along with accompaniment of whoever who you're there to see that night. For those of you who are new to this channel, basically we learn a new Hawaiian song every week from this incredible book called the He Mele Aloha book. It's a compilation of classic Hawaiian songs, about 300 pages or so. And it's a great book because it shows you the chords right here for the ukulele, and above all the words it shows you which chords to play, but it doesn't give you any sort of notation or any clues onto how the vocal melody should go. So I'm here to kind of help you along with that. And let's go ahead and dive right into this one. It's one of my favorites, Hawaiʻi Aloha. So this song is typically done with only singing the first verse and the hui. So you do the verse once and then you do the hui twice, okay? So that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna just teach you what you need to learn to be able to sing and join in with others. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Okay? Go ahead and dive right into the song, okay? First verse is gonna be E Hawai'i, E ku'uone, hanau, ku'uhome, kulaiwi nei, oli no awi na pono, lanio, okay? E Hawai'i, aloha e. Okay, and remember all of these videos we've been kind of pointing out the kahako. Kahako is basically a line or a macron over the vowel, and it just basically means to elongate that vowel. And in this case, a good example is na, okay, in this, or kulaiwi. And then we also want to point out the okina. Okina is kind of like an upside down apostrophe right before the vowel, and that just means you want to place a little bit more emphasis on that vowel. And in this verse, ku'u is a good example of the use of an okina, okay? And if you notice, when I say Hawaii, you want to make sure you're saying it the right way. Hawaii, right? With that V pronunciation, Hawaii, okay? The chords on this one are F, okay? And then F7, and then a dreaded B flat chord. Nobody likes the B flat chord. It's actually not that bad, the chord. It just takes a little bit of hand strength, you know, just practice. And then C7. let's go ahead and tackle this first verse. Vamp in. G7, C7, F. G7, C7, F. E Hawai'i e kuone hanau e. Now, you may notice that there, once in a while, I'll stick in like a C7 or maybe an F7 where it's not listed in the music. Just go ahead and pencil that in. It's just a way to kind of embellish or make it. I think it makes it sound a little bit better where I put these little embellishments. Okay. In this case, we're gonna add a little F7 right after the A in where it says the last word of that verse. We're gonna add a little F7 there, going into the next section, which is the hui or the chorus. Okay. So go ahead and pencil in that. It's okay to mark up the He Mele Aloha book. Okay, you bought it. Go ahead and put in that F7. All right, now we're gonna do the hui, okay? Okay, the hui is e hau'oli e na opio o Hawai'i nei. Olie, olie. Mai na ahe ahe makani e pā mai nei. Mau kealoha no Hawai'i. Right where it says makani, go ahead and cross out that F7. I think it would sound better going from just the F to the B flat in that section, okay? The F7 going into the hui, go ahead and leave that there. Or I guess you could think of it as moving that F7 from the makani right before the hui, right before the e hau'oli. So let's go ahead and try that, okay? Take that F7 out. We're gonna go straight from the F to the B flat. F7. E hau'oli na opio o Hawai'i nei. Flat, Hawai'i. Great job, awesome, you guys. Now you can sing along with the entire circle of friends that are there at the next Hawaiian event. You won't be left out, and you can join them singing Hawaiʻi Aloha. Thank you again so much, you guys, for returning every week. And be sure to leave comments at the bottom. I always read every comment. It may take a little longer for me to reply to every comment, but I try to reply to every comment. I certainly like every comment. And if you want to know more information about me, go ahead and go to www.stevenespaniola.com. You can also check out my Instagram at stevenespaniola. I'll also link that below here. And be sure to check out my friends at Ukulele. That's who made this beautiful custom instrument of mine. You can actually get this exact same ukulele to these exact same specs. Go ahead and just call Lena Girl or anyone over at Kanile Ukulele. I'll actually list their number right here for you and their website so that you can go ahead and check them out. Tell them that you want the Steven Espanola model and it's already in the system. You don't have to get this specific one. They have many beautiful instruments to choose from. Just give them a call Lena Girl, call anybody over there at Kanile Ukulele. Joe and Kristen, I love them like family. I've been with them since 2006, I believe, and wouldn't have it any other way. Once again, thank you so much. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Mahalo nui, malama pono, and ahui ho.